Just a few weeks ago, we welcomed all of the interns.
Yes, very exciting.
So exciting.
Lots here in this building.
Yes, and the energy is just awesome. And you were an intern too, weren't you?
Oh, yes, I was actually an intern for more years than I probably should admit.
Do you have any advice from your internship experience?
Yeah, ask lots of questions of your manager. I probably annoyed more than one manager that I had during one of my, 4 summer internships. And, but, that's okay. Bring your energy, because your energy and your fresh new face is what is really great to have here in the organization. So work hard, because you are coming in with probably a little bit of a skill deficit relative to other people who have been at their jobs for a long time. And if you put in a little extra effort, people will really appreciate that.
Yeah, that's great. Now, if you don't mind, I'd love to ask you some tough questions.
Okay.
What's something that you're really excited about right now?
Yeah, in general?
In general.
Oh, well, I'm excited about my work every day. I mean, that's what keeps me going.